So far so good. This thing is amazingly, stupidly beautiful. As you can imagine, I love the way, by the way, I love the way WWE normally try to portray a very good thing, or the language of WWE. You are amazingly stupid, but deep down he means that this thing is really good. So I will tell you, by the way, KUI is amazingly it is cutting my throat into two, but it is amazing new UI look and feel. So without further ado, let's look at the filing structure of this thing, and then we are going to set up a React of it. So guys, this is the project, and then we are just going to go to we have to go to the controllers. Look at the controllers. We have the profile controller, which is just the normal profile controller. You can edit, and also the controller, that is okay. We have the models, and then now where we're going to get the look and feel is we're just going now to go to the views, and then we're going to concentrate on okay, that is not views, but model and views. Inside the views we have components. Okay, there's the app layout and the guest layout. Okay, now the app layout. Okay, we can just follow the app layout and see how it looks like, and then also the guest layout, because we are looking at how this KU has been configured. And then also we are going to do the same thing on React, but right now we are working on so basically that is the way it has been written. And then we have components, and then buttons and all that, button fonts and everything, and how it has been created. That perfect. So we have the dashboard, the welcome, the root. So basically, if you also want to understand the concept of how a page is being loaded, you also have to look at the root. Root is basically which page has been told to do what and what. So that, okay, basically now you do the reverse engineering. So this is the let's look at the entire look and feel. We have the dashboard, right? We have the login and the logout. So basically this has been structured using the KUI. Guys, I'm going to speak that name till it touches my mouth, right? So basically the home page is just as normal. Where the changes have been made is on the registration page, which you can have the dark mode and the light mode, right? And then also on the login page, that is where the style sheet has also touched. Okay, basically let's just speak like you are in East Africa, right? So that is where it has touched, and imegusa. So that is the email that we used, login, and also we are going to see that we can add other features. I believe if you want to add other pages, you can still add them using the normal functions of Laravel. That is, you create a controller, you create a view, and so we have this side. This is the sidebar. I think we are going to take a look at that sidebar, and the main thing is we are going to look at dashboard. Let's just follow the dashboard, and then we see what it holds for us. The dashboard controller. So we have the app layout. I think that is where we're going to have most of the things that this page has for us. The code, let's just take a look and see. First, let's look at the login page. What does it hold? Okay, it has a guest and all that. Okay, basically it's a guest, and then the register. Okay, guest. So yeah, we have to start from there. So basically, if you want now to see, there is the guest, and then there is the app. So basically the guest has its own look and feel. If it's dark mode, that is body, there is that function of state, dark mode, and then slot and all that. Also on the app, let's go back and also take a look at app folder. It also has the same thing. So I want to look at the dashboard page, how it looks like, and then we can just create a single page. Now it contains an app layout, slot for that, and then I think the slot has that everything. So let's create just a single page, a single redirect, right? So it's not hard. We're just going to do PHP artisan. You can do a complete. The basic thing we are going to do is let's say articles. So we can use the article PHP artisan make controller article, that is for posts. So basically maybe we are creating a blog post. So PHP artisan make model, you can do that. So basically if you're doing Laravel and you are always coding with Laravel, you can create your own classes like make model, but now we want just to say posts. Post, yeah, it will make a post controller and a model controller, just like that. Yeah, migration model and model migration and controller, and then so model views and controllers, basically migration, but we're not going to go deep down the lane, but we're just going to create an index page for it. My friends are telling me ladies are not coding, but I have some very beautiful guys who are doing some amazing coding. Guys, these are my friends that I have. Guys, ladies are coding out there, right? That is amazing. That's amazing. So public function index, public function index, and then return view, that is going to now return the view for post dot index. Okay, so we just want to have that one view for it. Okay, posts, let's leave it at post, and then if we do the migration and stuff, so you can just create that post dot index, and then we are going to copy what is in. We are going to copy what is in dashboard. Okay, this is what we are going to copy. Control A, Control C, and then we are going to put in post. And then what we are going to do is this one is going to be called, now the name is going to be posts, and then what you're going also to add is now going to do the root. Okay, we show where that page is on the layout. Let me see, navbar. What does this navbar has? Okay, let's go first on app. So we have a sidebar here, sidebar. Okay, this one is the one that is responsible for sidebar is the one responsible for this. Okay, I will explain using my mouse where there is dashboard button, all that. So we have to look for dashboard. Okay, so go to definition sidebar. It has no definition, but I believe sidebar is somewhere here. Sidebar. So this is where we have the sidebar. Okay, sidebar overlay, transition mouse. I really believe that is the right place we are going. sidebar header content footer. Sidebar content, we have to look for it. Public, okay, views, button showcase. So basically that is link. Never gone this far, but every time we learn about something, also we have just to learn about something new. Okay, so that is sidebar. It's sidebar, dark mode is open, header. We have the header which contains the header, the main slot. Okay, let's first go to navigation. Control P, the web root first. Just want to add it first there. So we are going to have something like this root. I'm just going to convert Control C to this type of root. We're going to call it posts, and then we're going to call post controller, post controller, and then index, and then posts. Okay, I don't need to repeat myself the index on that, but I just made it like that. So I'm going to reload my page and just go to posts. Let's see first if it is loaded. Yes, the post is loaded. Okay, the post is loaded. So we have done a single page for it. Let's see if we want to add. This is the dashboard. This is now the dashboard. You need to change some links here. So in the next video we are going to do some adding of links on this other side, but remember to subscribe to this amazing channel, guys. Your subscription is our way going up and getting these more views, guys. So I'm also learning as you are also learning, guys, and this is the language. We are going to learn about the code. We are going to learn how to make these pages step by step, right? And for all the ladies, guys, I've heard that ladies are not coding, but I'm seeing so many ladies coding. I have a very good lady friend who knows how to code, and I believe one of these days I'll bring her to the channel to teach you more about Angular and Ionic framework. She's very good in mobile development. So guys, subscribe to this amazing channel, tell your friend, tell your girlfriend, and then let's just make this a better studio for developers to learn these amazing skills. So guys, our next hurdle is to create a link, a UI link on this side, right? A link for this, a link for our profile and all that. Okay, a link for this on the buttons this other side, right? And we're going to do on the next video. At the same time, we're going to do I'm going also to plan and add an entire program written on Laravel inside the KUI. Shout out to my friend Kamona. Shout out to my friend Kamona in Israel, guys. He's an amazing guy. He has provided for us this UI that we are using, and we have nothing but mad respect for you. So subscribe to this amazing channel, hit that like, subscribe button, and be our friends. And also you can also support us financially, and yeah, even if we need to redeem those gifts. I'm not like the lady who wants you to tap on the screen, but you can support us, guys. That is only our request, so that we can grow this amazing channel to greater heights, because my dream is that we be the best. And if you don't have that fee to pay for that amazing those expensive skills, you can also get a few of it here, a few of it the other side, and you become a whole person. Our motto is sharing is caring. So we are here to share with you our amazing skills and also care for us, and may God really bless you abundantly. And subscribe to Zach Anime Studios, your channel #1 for graphic design, coding and animation. But I've missed coding, I've missed animating. I'll do something on Laravel, on Ionic, not Laravel, but iClone, guys, iClone. So guys, thank you, subscribe to this amazing channel, and let's continue on. So guys, next we are going to set up a React on this React platform, and subscribe.